Yo guys, welcome to a brand new episode of me and Toby playing Rivals. Today we are gonna try to hit some insane trick shots for you guys. I'm just waiting for him to join. He can, or I'll go into Rivals, then he can just join me. I am loading in right now, just hoping he joins. But chat, if you don't if you want to look out, he is also screen recording, so go support his video if you see this. His user is, what's your user? Yeah, what's your user? Bro, yo guys, his name is Nalco and Toby's Rivals. Yeah, Nalco and Toby's Rivals. He is gonna join me right now, I think. And my channel's name is Nelco Klute. You can just search it or you can view my profile. I don't have a lot of videos, but yeah. Okay guys, Toby eventually joined me after like 5 minutes, but we are gonna play some duos right now. Like I said on the beginning, we are gonna try to hit some insane clips for you guys, and I might make a lot of reels out of it also. So stick tuned for that, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So yeah guys, guys, I'm just struggling a little bit to load, but yeah, it's gonna be over real quick. Yo guys, I'm finally loading into the game. They were playing one round without me. They already killed me, but yeah, it's okay. As you can see, we are playing against annoying shotgun and RPG users. That we hit the first headshot of the game. But stick tuned for this episode, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Bro is really good at backstabs. He can hit insane headshots also. We played first round lost. But yeah, I hope we win this. Let me pick my loadout. I know you guys are gonna say I'm paid to win, but I'm not. But okay. I'm going to the crane, guys. Yo, guys, they bazookaed me. I'm cooked. Bro already killed both of them. Yo, guys, jumping headshot. Damn, guys, that was quick. Sorry, I don't speak a lot during my games, but yeah. Yeah, we caught bro lacking real hard, but yeah. Damn, the missile flew past my head, guys. Bro got cooked. But yo, chat, I'm gonna try to get on that blimp if I can make it. 1, 2. Oh, I'm already cooked, guys. I didn't have my double jump ready yet, but yeah. I hope Toby clutched this. Toby, clutch. Yo, guys, please just don't call us chopped in the comment section, bro. This is one thing Toby hates, bro, being called chopped. So don't call that. Yeah. But yeah, guys. Bro is actually insane. But looks like this roundy isn't locked in. You can see by that limb. If I close that, guys. He isn't very locked in, but yeah. Guys. The purple blimp is already gone. Guys, I get a kill in this round. Guys, I'm up. Damn, double headshot, guys. W! Guys, it's match point. But yeah, guys, the yellow blimp is almost there. I need to rush. 1, 2, 3. If you guys didn't know this yet, but daggers let you climb quicker onto the crane. I'm getting brought back the whole time. The shot is to one of you. I brought guard for a second time. Yo guys, this is for one of you guys. Okay. Then y'all could like guys this obviously. I know it. I don't know why he's not. Bro, where's my body? Where I do? Now the cop go liking. They're liking. Come on, come on. I didn't even hit him with it. So it's kind of. He's very. No, guys, we lost this round. I'm too low. Very. Told ya, bro, has made it. I actually think he has. Bro. Like, this shot is dedicated to one of you. So hopefully. And if I get a lot of subs, I will every weekend we are gonna play at least. That shot is dedicated to you. That's a 150 headshot. No scope, by the way. Hit marker. He's dead, son. He's dead. Let's teabag. Okay. The first round is won. Let's play another one. But yeah, guys. I'm sorry if this video isn't good quality. It's my first time doing actual video. But yeah, hopefully it comes out good. I hope you guys support my channel. Because that would be very awesome. But yeah, it looks like it's construction again. Like daggers. I think I'm gonna stick with water on this round. They are auto shooters, as you can see. They are on computer, that's auto shoot. Controller isn't auto shoot. Have a fun game, guys. They shot me, Toby. Toby, they shot me.
Copper lagging. Hit with a quick skill. Heads up, man.
This shot is dedicated to one of you guys. Only if I can hit it, bro.
No! He's not winning. He's 150, bro.
Damn, that's one of yours.
I don't know if that's auto shoot, but even without auto shoot, that's a great shot.
Bro, I don't have auto. Stop lagging, bro.
Yep, I think that was not auto.
You have auto shoot, bro. Not me, bro. Bro, I'm low. They are shooting me. This shot is dedicated to one of you guys.
What's bro trying to do to me? Call lagging. They're both lagging.
Bro caught me lagging.
Like, both really like.
Yo guys, I'm low-key cooked.
Yo, call lag. He was a level 100. FRPG. Now go to FRPG.
No. Guys, they caught me lagging, bro.
Backstab on one. There's it. And pop the lagging.
I'm cooked, chat.
Who sprayed me? Holy grandmother's cookie. Damn it, bro. What was that even? Bro, that's like AI generated.
Guys, this shot can be yours, but I'm going to try. Guys, should I hit a no-scope? I think I should hit a no-scope, bruh.
Go on, he's yours.
Damn, they hit me with my grandmother's plucky, though.
Bro. Okay,
Nah, that is a murder weapon in our country. South Africa all the way.
Let's think again.
That's your grandma's ultimate weapon.
That's not happening. Ow.
Yo, chat, although I'm not good at rivals, I keep playing every day just to try to make content for you guys. But yeah, I'm sorry if we lose this one. Although this is the second one we play, I think we are just gonna play this one done. Nah, bro, they caught me lagging again. I think one more game. Okay, guys. I think this is the last game I'm gonna stream for you guys. But yeah, we are just gonna go insane this round. I'm not gonna hold back like all the other rounds because I thought that guys were noobs, but meantime they won. But as you can see, we are playing the higher levels than us. They got me lagging. Mid-air headshot, guys, mid-air. On me, dog, on me. Nah, nice backstab.
Why am I lagging? Why?
Say one lahi, bro. Bro.
Oh, they're hitting the element.
Bro, I I don't want to
I'm
play
going
like
to
a morphy, but I
disrespect
think I have to.
Yeah. Guys, I'm just not Bang Bang Chicken Gang. I got my own signature. Who decided that?
Who decided that is my teammate's ultimate same thing like Bang Bang Chicken Gang almost? But I just think the headshots is OP. Look there guys. Ultimate headshot. See if I can get on the crane, no one can stop me. So yeah, now they are all gonna focus on me. I'm telling you that.
Flamethrower, 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 flamethrower. Nice now.
Bro, where can this last man be? Say one lie, bro. Say one lie. Say one lie, bro. Say one lie. Yo, chat. The yellow blimp is there. I need to go quick, guys. The yellow blimp. I need this.
I think you can beat me in my battle. Please, like,
Chat, I thought I can make it, but I meantime I can. But look like my teammate clutched this. So yeah, only one more game left, guys. Oh, 2 more points for us.
No, I can't. Lag. I'm on 15 FPS, guys.
Damn, that was a bro just got me lagging again. Yo, by the way, this is maybe 2 grown-ass men that is still playing Rivals. I don't know. But yeah, that's a double headshot. I'm standing on the barrels.
Mr. Green is clutching, man.
Yeah, guys, but damn, guys, my purple blimp. Say one lie, bro. Say one lie.
If I get a kill in this round, I'll actually do a Lakers 5. Michaela Brown, ultrasound. I got banned from every playground. Lakers 5.
Damn, bro. Why did I fell off?
Bro, what happened there? WWE.
I'm sorry, chat. They cook chat.
Nah, you win this round. I'll do a sneakers 5. Over there? Yes. Yes. Here. There. Behind you.
How did he see me, bro?
Okay. It was the last round, man.
Oh, chat, I'm sorry, guys. It's 2 losses in one video, but yeah, it cannot be always good. But see you guys hopefully next video. Cheers.